Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add videos in PowerPoint. So let's get right into the video. Open your desired PowerPoint presentation. Once you are there, open your slide in which you want to add your videos into and click on Insert tab, and there you see an option Video under the Media section, and click on the video and there will be a drop down box and you have to click on Video on my PC and it will give you an option to browse your desired video. Go to the place you have your video in, and once you are okay with your choice, click on Insert. And as you can see, my video is inserted in the full page format, but I want it to be smaller and shorter. And there it is. If I click on play, my video starts to play. So yeah, it was pretty easy.
Nearby stationary conductors by.
If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.